Hi, I'm Stuart Bryant from Secure Coast Solutions. Today I would like to demonstrate our interface unit between this wall mount 4 alkalizer breathalyzer unit and any access control system. For the purpose of this demonstration, I'm using a basic Wiegand access control card reader, but the system is compatible with any Wiegand card reader. It can also be used with biometrics devices such as finger scan, hand scan, facial recognition systems, whatever you would prefer. At Secure Coast Solutions, we are happy to work in cooperation with your existing electronic security provider to ensure system compatibility. For the purpose of this demonstration, we're activating a green light to represent a door being unlocked. This system though could be used to trigger a turnstile, a door, a sliding gate, a boom gate. We can even use this system to enable the start button on a piece of machinery or equipment. The interface unit, if you would like, can be mounted in a steel enclosure adjacent the breathalyzer. We can mount the boards out of the interface unit inside the wall mount 4 breathalyzer. The key switch and card reader can be mounted on the front of the breathalyzer. And these illuminated lights are optional. If you'd prefer, we can rely on the annunciation that comes up in the computer screen on the machine. For the purpose of this demonstration, this wall mount 4 breathalyzer has been programmed to fail anybody with a positive alcohol reading. So any reading above 0 is not going to be granted access to this site. We can customise the machine for your requirements and set the machine at 0.05 or 0.02 or whatever your site requirements are. The bypass switch here can be switched on to bypass the alkalizer machine so that the door will now function as a standard access control door. This bypass switch, if you would like, can also be controlled by a time zone, so it's automatically switched on or off at different times of day. We can also provide a smartphone interface so that a supervisor or manager can turn it on or off as required. While our bypass switch here is on, I can badge my card, I'm granted access to site and my door unlocks. When I switch the bypass switch off, now when I badge my card, I'll be requested to provide a breathalyzer sample. Breath test sample required. Providing my sample is 0, I'm provided access and my door unlocks. Now normally before providing a breathalyzer sample, you would wait for at least 20 minutes after your last drink. But today, I'm going to have a sip of alcohol just to demonstrate a positive test result. When you fail a breath test, 3 things happen. 1, you're denied access to site and the door does not open. 2, we get an alarm in the access control system. We can see from the access control log whose card was badged at the breathalyzer. In addition to that, we will also receive an email that can be sent through to a supervisor or manager that shows that a breath sample failed and it shows the reading of the breathalyzer output. As an optional extra, we can also provide this breathalyzer with a camera built inside the unit that takes a photo of the person providing the breath sample. When the supervisor or manager receives the email saying that there's been a failed test result, a snapshot of the person providing the sample is attached to the email. Thank you for watching today's demonstration. If you have any further inquiries, I can be contacted by email at info@securecoastsolutions.com. Thank you.